Yaqoob, what are you doing?
I'm playing with my rocket. It's a recycled rocket. I made it with a tissue paper.
What does mean recycle?
But I'll show you what does recycle mean. And then we'll learn more. Our theme is sharing the planet. There's a lot of waste in our house, like eggshells, kitchen waste.
I think and tissue roll and newspaper. I know, even small cloth.
These are the different types of waste. Some waste are hazardous for our environment like plastic, metal and glass. And some are non-hazardous which does not harm our environment like paper, compost and cloth. To save our environment, we need to reuse, reduce and recycle. Do you know what it means?
I think reuse means is using again.
Yes, that's right, Piya.
I know what reduce things left.
Recycle means making old things new. Here I have some things that I made. We know that our personal choices can help sustain our environment.
Yes, we must change ourselves. That's right.
The earth is our home, so we must love the earth and make it a safe place to live in.
For a healthy environment, we have to be mindful of our actions. For instance, separating hazardous waste from non-hazardous waste so that it doesn't pollute the water and air. We can also take a few steps like saving energy and saving water, using less plastic and substituting with environmental friendly products like paper. Here, Yaqoob is being cautious by reducing waste and recycling compost to make plant fertilizer.
Thank you.